What is generative AI? So if you hear the word carefully, generative AI, this is a combination of two words, generative plus AI. Artificial intelligence we already talked about. So generative AI is basically using the AI to generate the new content. This content could be video, this content could be images, text, code, some documents, some diagrams. Diagrams could be like sequence diagram, flow diagram, or anything. So in simple term, generative AI is an artificial intelligence or a branch of artificial intelligence that is used to generate the new content based on the concept of artificial intelligence. There are multiple mechanisms behind that. We will talk those into the coming videos. For more videos, subscribe to this channel and like the video. Thank you.